Good afternoon, my name is Loxley Graham and I'm a Principal Consultant here working for Alexander Daniels Global. Today's topic is focused around the problems facing additive manufacturing in terms of its adoption into end users. One of the key factors or problems that this industry faces in terms of its adoption has always been the point that the technology has been developed to focus on providing a solution without having a problem. And as a result of this, the technology has always faced a real challenge in becoming cost effective in comparison to conventional manufacturing, resulting in realistically obsolete for a lot of the end user companies that would plan to bring in this technology and look to utilize it in their serial production. Moving forward, what we're now starting to see is that the industry is recognizing this problem and is now starting to develop solutions that are more tailored to providing solutions to different problems within different market sectors. And so as a result of this, we are now starting to see better adoption of this technology and companies looking to utilize it as a complementary solution to their conventional manufacturing processes, as opposed to it being seen as something that could completely eradicate those. Moving forward, I think the approach that the industry has started to take will start to alleviate those problems and issues, and that is to provide more of a consultative approach to their customers. The industry is now making definitely more effort to meet with customers, understand what they're looking to utilize 3D printing for, where the shortcomings are through conventional manufacturing, and as a result of this are now able to create this case study or this niche area where this technology can be very easily adopted and can be cost effective in comparison to the areas where it would previously have been seen obsolete. And as a result of this now, I believe that we will start to see this technology being more widely adopted and a lot of the concerns that end users had previously being easily overcome.